got what you need. Woke up in the store and get what you want. Go ahead, you get what you please. We bout to get it on. Take off them drawers.
Way too quiet, way too gay, way too quiet, way too gay. It do what you tell and I'm back with my video. Here we in today's video, we gonna talk about Kevin and what happened because that was so crazy. What happened to Kevin? And you guys any question? Y'all can ask me in no comment section cause I know a lot of answers. So before we get tired, bye. Period. Hey girl, you're so pretty, Can you take a photo so we can see your whole outfit? Alright, this my outfit. Y'all like my outfit? And y'all know I'm working in a White House. Yeah, and y'all know new time I work in the White House and I don't even know my Hey girl, we are position in the White House. My position in the White House is creator, advisor, editor. So therefore, I'm becoming a creator for your White House. I'm gonna decorate the White House. And you know, nobody want election because anybody want Donald Trump no more. How we down that I couldn't win president, but I did get a die in the White House. Then my auntie, then my new auntie until they fire me or I talk them to and get in trouble. Hey Ew, hey Molly, hey Ellie, hey Dora, hey William, hey everybody, thank you for joining my live, Hey Quinty, hey Twin, thank you for voting for me for president. Thank you everybody for joining my live, thank you. Hey April, hey Donna, hey Quinty, hey Twin, hey y'all, I got some good news. Boyfriend, they started his own penny, so go ahead and check out boyfriend wear tie. Till I can get our boyfriend too. Hold on. Thank you for coming live. We ain't take a video. You so pretty. I like your twin. Thank you. I got my twin for fashion over. Thank you. Hey girl, you so pretty. Who that on your toe? Who that boy? He love his life. To put your nigga. So I wanna say where you be to my best friend. You look so pretty, no, I get you out your toe, go today, they cool. Congratulations on the new dye. Thank you so much, y'all. I really enjoy my new dye. I get to meet a lot of people. I get to still do my live video. So, y'all, I want to thank you for all your love and support. Thank you for everybody for voting. Good, they blessed, they happy, don't let nobody come on your live. I hope Tabby Cole got, bone down. Who bone down Tabby Cole? I won't be surprised if one of them nanny, ugly, bald-head, dowdy, Tabby Coke girl were in the kitchen cooking. Cause y'all know the Tabby Coke girl don't know how to cook. Don't want to be probably were in your kitchen cooking and bump the whole fire down. But they need to burn that fire down. They need to move people out so they can move people in. Hey girl, you look so pretty. And today your birthday or not? No, today not my birthday. It's actually in March. So come back in March and tell me happy birthday. Hey girl. Okay, y'all, let's talk. Okay, they say that Quando, young boy, and no, had turned into two with Kevin dead. But that's crazy because Kevin, he would be in the Quando, and they tagged him. Well, you see it in your video. I'm not gonna enter no clip because I don't got time for violence on my live. But we can't talk about him. And then with they got rotated in the White House. Oh, don't. And then he come over here to me like I invited him here. Oh no, don't blame that. Girl, you brought no rotate to that White House, not lie. I didn't bring no rotate to no White House. Cause for one, I got million of my own. No rotate in my million. I don't know, but they take that Donald Trump with eating snack all over the house. And Donald Trump got the rope in here because Donald Trump was saying he was getting smacked in the bed. And I can believe it. Hey y'all, thank you everybody for throwing in my live. Thank you everybody for throwing in my live because it is a beautiful day in a new neighborhood. Like I said, I officially work in the White House. So y'all gonna be paying a lot of stuff from Joe Biden. Y'all gonna see me having conversation with Joe Biden. But they're not gonna be too after the new year because Donald Trump still here. See, I told y'all. Donald Trump here, bitch. Not don't know where, but he can't. He got no toy. Hey, go. Hey, Rachel. I ain't seen you in a long time. They still tapping application. Don't put your application in 'cause you creator. Hey, girl, you look so cute. Can we see your feet? My feet? No, you cannot see my feet. Why would y'all ask me that question? Because I was in the White House, that don't mean I got white toes. White toes are for hoes. Period. And you hold that here phone. Hey, girl. I think that tell me, Coke girl, be back on your live. No, don't tell me, Coke girl, they can't come back on my live. Cause for one, the Coke cake is still open. And then I got tied to the White House and I got Kuneta in that bed. Okay, ready to be out of coat. Bobby baby right here next to me again. It was Bobby twin to come work in the White House. Hey, girl, how you like your job at the White House? I love my dad so much. Thank you for asking. Hey, girl, you seen the video with Kim Mom with no tweet? Yeah, I seen the video where Kim from with no tweet and that boy keep tweeting him. That boy be keep tweeting him. But I want to take this to everybody. If you out there in the street, you make the noise, you fucking, you fighting, you stealing, you killing, you robbing people, and you just doing so much, you can't just be in the street like that. Stop making yourselves available for people. I be trying to tell my boyfriend all the time. Everybody ain't your friend. Everybody don't need to know where you stay at. Stop bringing people to your house. People bring bad spirit. That's exactly why boyfriend don't play that kind of thing. He don't bring nobody to my house. I don't care your cousin, your best friend. Don't bring the people to my house. You can okay. Lon told me, hey daddy, when you out in the tweet and you moving like that and you got pile full of money, you supposed to have security on you at all times. Period. Because one thing for toe, two things for tutting, ain't nobody gonna ever catch me or my boyfriend slipping. Because when it's up there, and we both crazy and we both ain't got time to be sitting there. Cause I got too much to lose. Both ain't got too much to lose though. That's why y'all not gonna never see me in a tree because I'm too smart. I'm a real gangster, believe it or not, but I'm a real gangster. And so is my boyfriend, real gangster, move in Thailand. So that's gonna be on period, poo. Yeah, cause he took the back out there, all that stuff he told him. Smoking on the tuka. What? I keep telling people taste smoking on a tuka. What the hell is that? And then I heard another thing, Quan would still be alive and you ain't get him up. Like they be rapping about all this stuff. First of all, these some new rapper that I don't really know about. Just for me, why you YouTube, I know about the rapper, but it be too much going on. Hey, go, thank you for the live. Why you ain't got your nails done? I ain't got my nails done because when I did have my nails done, they were real long and I kept hitting them the thud and you know how when you throwing thud, you just hitting your nail and then eventually your nail gonna break and crack down. So my nail was breaking under the acrylic. My nail was breaking under the acrylic and it was breaking my real nail. It was splitting them all the way down to the meat. So, and I took them off because they was so tender and they did hold it so bad. So I took them off into the whole top. So now my nail is healing up and I will go get my nail done probably like in the next week or two because I don't want to put acrylic nail on top of my nail till whole cause I won't get affected because I'm too pretty to have affected here or there. So period. Hey girl, you look so pretty, you look so pretty. What you got doing today? And that would make up what they did to that boy Kevon. Period. That was her man. What they did to that boy Kevon. And then his body. And then Pia hit that body and told him around the internet like, how did his all-time Pia get leaked? Like whatever. But they think young boy had something to do with it because he was messing with young boy. And they think young boy baby mama. I don't know what you believe. And they also said that girl, Agent got Hoopy. And they probably do got Hoopy because y'all remember when it came out that young boy had Hoopy. But I was looking on TV the other day. And young boy had Dania. His baby mama, Dania gave him Hoopy. But that true cause all them pretty red bitches be having Hoopy. All the pretty, it been like, they say the pretty girl, they look so good, but they be the nastiest one. And I'm gonna sit here and tell you all that a lie. Cause I know I'm pretty. I know I look good. And ain't nothing wrong with me. I'm not doing nothing nanny out here to nobody. You are pretty, but they do say them pretty girls be nanny and hell. The pretty girls do be nanny, but not me. Not me or my though. Yeah, that would make up what they did to that boy. That was real make up what they did to that boy King Von because it was that crazy. Like, nobody just told $2 like that. And he was only 26 and his career just started. That's why when I get up there, I'm not going to be dealing with no too many people. Only people is going to be my sister, my brother, a couple of my cousins, and my mama, my niece and nephew, and of course my boyfriend and my boyfriend's son. So, with that being said, I ain't got time for nothing extra. My friend, no, not my friend. My cousin Mimi did my hair. If y'all want to holler at my cousin Mimi, everybody know who Mimi is, so y'all gonna holler at Mimi if y'all want your hair done. I don't like when it's down because you're too hot. I like my, and then these baby hairs don't stay for nothing. I'm not going to glue some baby hair. You look so pretty, you look so pretty, you look so pretty. Thank you. We okay, so I can take some money and we go take. Man, y'all, Tay done got into some trouble. Ratchet with Intel. They gave Tay a couple more months, but Tay won't say, Tay said she gonna do good that he got home early. But yeah, Tay got into some trouble. I was getting into trouble. One thing about Tay know how to get into some trouble. Period. Tay know how to get into some trouble, but I thought Tay know how to get herself out some trouble. Period. And that on period. That's my best friend always ever. Hey girl, we love you so much. You don't like me when don't go crazy. Thank you. Boyfriend? Is that you? Get what, everybody? Boyfriend that's doing it. Turn up a boyfriend. Turn up a boyfriend. Turn up a boyfriend. And now on period. Hey, boyfriend. Everybody lie. Miss you. They love you, boyfriend. They hate you. Where you been? I told you it was a lot of it there, but you bet like you never left. Boyfriend. Girlfriend, I love you. I miss being your lie. I miss all the love I get on your lie. I'ma keep coming back on your lie for every Wednesday. Cause I miss all the love. Period. Y'all have a boyfriend day. Boyfriend day, he miss you. He miss y'all. He like y'all. Hey boo, best friend, girlfriend. I love you. You all that you want. I come over to the house today. So make sure you cook my favorite meal. And I got off the one. Boyfriend know how to make me smile. But anyway, y'all. I done. Boyfriend that made my day. Oh, boyfriend want you to eat. Oh, I'm right in the line now because boyfriend got come over and I'm like, I got some food ready. I got your lunch ready, boo. Then you get done and then you gonna get a snack, boo. But anyway, guys, like to go out and tell you video. RIP to King Von and everybody else that died with him. I'm gonna end the video now because I got something to do. Like, comment, to go out and tell this video. I love all y'all. Thank you for doing my live and I love my new position at the White House.